Hey queens, if you have been using butt and hip enlargement products, is it oil, is it pills, powder, anything at all, but not seeing fast results, this video is for you. Sometimes the problem isn't the products, it's your body says. Before you glow up, your system needs to be clean and ready to absorb whatever you are giving it. Why do you have to detox first? I always say detox before you start using your body enhancement products, be it butt and hip, breast, or flat tummy. You have to detox first. Okay, your body stores waste, toxins, and even hormones from past products or junk foods. If you don't detox first, those new enhancement products can't work properly. They will just sit on blocked system. Think of it like planting seeds. You have to clear the ground first before anything can grow. So you need to detox before you start that body enhancement journey. Now, how to detox for curve growth? 1. Start with a 3 to 5 day herbal tea detox. Drink it twice daily. Let's say morning and night. Okay, first in the morning and last thing at night. Number one thing you have to bring in, these are natural ingredients: scent leaf, ginger, lemon, garlic. It flushes toxins, balances your womb, prepares your hormones also. Eat clean during detox. Avoid fried foods. Avoid soda. Avoid sugar. Focus on boiled yam or plantain. You can focus on fruits, especially pawpaw, banana, and pineapple. Protein like egg, fish, and beans. No enhancement products during detox. Let your system breathe, my sister. Your body will thank you later. And when you start your products again, they will work faster and even much better. We still have skin detox, okay? Optional, but is also helpful. Use shea butter, coconut oil to massage your hips and butt during detox. Okay, this softens the skin and prepares it to absorb any oil, any butt cream, and make it more effective when you start applying those oils, those your butt cream and all that. Okay, after detoxing, you might ask, so when is the right time for me to start taking my body enhancement products, specifically my butt and hip enlargement products? My dear, is after 5 days of detox. Your body is reset and ready. Now, when you start your oil, syrup, or pills, they can actually get into your system the right way. You will absorb better, grow faster, and see real and healthy results, not fake swelling or side effects. So my love, don't skip this step. Detox first, enhance after. Your results will speak for themselves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a queen who needs to hear it. Bye bye.